K37 Dashcam, menu and Wi-Fi connected display. Dual lens. Camera test. We support 1-year warranty and customized. Scan this QR code to download the app, and then you can watch the video. Download complete. Register an account with a mobile phone number. Set a password. Registration successful. Scan the machine's IMEI number to connect to the phone. IMEI. Connection succeeded. Then connect the Wi-Fi in the Wi-Fi settings. The default password is 123456778, which can be modified by yourself. Open the app again after the Wi-Fi, the connection is successful. Then camera test. K37 Dashcam.